This CAMECHO double-DIN stereo brings modern phone integration to older dashboards by supporting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto through a simple cable connection. The 7-inch high-definition touchscreen is responsive and bright, making maps, music controls, and menus easy to see and operate while driving. Built-in screen mirroring lets you project compatible Android and iPhone displays onto the head unit, which is handy for navigation and media apps that are not natively supported. The included rear camera automatically shows a wide reverse view on the screen when you shift into backing up, adding a reassuring layer of safety in tight parking spots. Wireless Bluetooth pairing works reliably for hands-free calling and music streaming, and the digital frequency modulation tuner can store many presets for news and traffic updates. Installation is straightforward for a standard double-DIN opening, and CAMECHO backs the unit with accessible technical support and replacement coverage that gives extra peace of mind.